Edo State Governor Senator Gov Okpebholo don reassure Corp members wey dem deploy to Edo State say their welfare, safety and security dey important to this administration. Governor Okpebholo, wey dey represented by im Deputy Right Honourable Dennis Idahosa, yarn this one for the swearing-in ceremony of 2024 Batch 6-1 Corp members deployed to Edo State on Friday, 29 November 2024. Honourable Dennis Idahosa come tok say the government dey work diligently to ensure the environment dey conducive for them.
On behalf of the government and the good people of Edo State, I warmly welcome you to our vibrant state, rich in culture, history, and opportunities. As you begin this important chapter of national service, let me reassure you that your welfare, your safety, and the security are paramount to this administration. From the moment you arrive Benin in Edo State, we have worked diligently to ensure that the environment is conducive for you all to strive, contribute meaningfully, and enjoy fulfilling service here.
State Coordinator NYC Edo State Madam Ben Usha Francis for her address come tok say na 1,887 Corp members dem register and swear in. She constantly tok say,
I wish to inform you that Edo State joined her counterparts across the Federation and commenced the 2024 by 6-1 orientation on Wednesday, the 27th of November, 2024. As at midnight of Thursday, 28 November 2024, a total of 1,887 prospective Corp members, comprised of 505 male and 682 female Corp members, had been duly registered and are to be sworn in this morning as members of the National Service Corps.
The high point of the ceremony na the oath takeaway dey administered by the Edo State Chief Judge Justice Daniel Iyobosa Okugbowa, wey dey represented by Honourable Justice Eburiame.
Dear fellow Nigerians, as my brothers and sisters,
for their talk with Tori people, Chemo of your Southwest Engineer Edosa Inogwema and the Chemo of your Northeast Local Government Honourable Collins Ogbaewe come talk say,
national service with all purpose and diligence and ensure that they make the most out of it by impacting the lives of the people who meet their respective. I want to encourage NYC that Edo State is Edo State is safe and equally, but they should be very careful. They should listen to one local and understand. But I want to assure them that Edo State is very safe and equally. There should be an ambassador.
make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From NYC Camp Okada, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.